Hey y'all, welcome to the neighborhood. My name is Ajane, and in today's video, I'm going to be transforming my balcony from nothing into something. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so today I am finally taking the time to decorate my balcony. Yay! It's been a long time coming. I've been saying I want to decorate for quite some time now, and I just haven't gotten around to do it. But you know, we've been in quarantine or whatever, and I've been bored, and I was like, you know, you might as well just set this up right now because you ain't doing nothing else. And I figured, you know, let me just order some things, make it very serene, so that way I can actually sit out on my balcony and enjoy my time, enjoy the views, enjoy the fresh air when the air is actually fresh. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys a couple of things that I got. I purchased a few things on Amazon. I got me a 3-piece that I need to put together. I got me a cute little pool because I need something to put my feet on so I can actually sit outside, kick my feet up, enjoy sunrise and sunset. I got this cute rug from Home Goods, and I was taking a long time to actually get everything together because I was like, I can't find the right rug that I'm looking for, but that rug matches these pillowcases that I purchased. I got the pillowcases first, so I ordered the pillowcases off of Amazon. I have two 12 by 20s, and then I purchased like 2 black 20 by 20s, which I like because they're supposed to be waterproof or weather resistant, so I figured this would be good. It doesn't really rain that often in my area, but for the random days that I do and for the days that I neglect my balcony, it'll be okay. So I got the 2 12 by 20 pillows and then 2 20 by 20s, and they're both supposed to be like water and mildew resistant pillows. This I already had. I just figured let's put it outside because apparently I'm a bad plant mom, and like I thought I could put my plant outside to get a little bit more sunshine because I felt like it was dying inside, and it just completely died. But it's okay, it's all right. Moving on. We got the fake one, it won't do me wrong. So I picked this up at IKEA so that way I can put this inside, you know, give it a little splash of oomph. And I got a stool so that way I can place this on top of the stool just to give it some height. And what else is for this outside project? These little plants I've already had. They were from IKEA. This little grass is from IKEA as well as these 2 little planters. Yeah, I just figured like let's get started and make it pretty so I can sit outside while the sun is still up. Yeah, let's go. Okay, but first thing first is we need to clean the balcony. Well, but y'all in the neighborhood, so it's a we thing. So I actually need to sweep off this balcony, clean it up, wash it down. It's bird feather, dead plants, doodle everywhere. It's just a mess, so let's go clean. Okay, so here is the before of my balcony. It's been pretty neglected, just like this plant, because it's over here doing the Michael Jackson lean. We got bird feathers in the corner. I tried to do a project a while ago and accidentally spray painted and stained the balcony. And yeah, and also these birds have been extremely disrespectful, so I don't know what I did to them lately, but obviously they are not happy with me. So today we are going to get this together. Starting with removing this dead plant. Oh, po little tink tink. So now I'm going to sweep off the balcony. As you can see, there's quite a lot of dirt, debris, and ashes. Yes, I said ashes. I live here in California, and when we have wildfires, the ashes blow into the city everywhere. Also, all of these bird feathers, and I don't know why I'm dealing with this raggedy broom, but you know what? I'm just gonna put some tape on it, and we're just gonna keep it pushing. And for the hard to reach areas, I'm just gonna brush that off my balcony because didn't nobody tell you to blow on my side anyway. So now I'm going to take some hot water and soap in a bucket. Well, it's actually a trash can, but y'all don't know that. And I'm just going to pour it all over and wash out any leftover dirt. So I'm going to just use my broom as a scrubber. Now, I will say be mindful about how much soap you're putting in your bucket. I'll be forgetting that a little Ajax goes a long way. So I had to do this process quite a few times to make sure I got all of the soap off the balcony. And I just, went back and forth and swept off all the water and the soap excess. So you just want to make sure everything is good and you're good to go. Okay, so now that we got all the cleaning out the way, we're gonna let things dry, and while it's doing that, we're gonna be putting things together. Let's do that. Oh, it's so cute. And you know what, with these pillows, it says to make sure that you get a size bigger than the pillowcase so that way it could be completely full instead of like having, little flaps at the end and looking real sad. So this is what it looks like. It's a 22 by 22 pillow with a 20 by 20 case. Okay, can we find a hole? That's what she said. Okay, no, for real, come on, stop playing. All right, there we go. We always make it fit. Pillow fight! Since we don't know what goes where, let's look at the instructions. I don't do bugs. You need to fly your ass deep. Get deep. Get out. Fly your ass outside. That way. Creatures. That's why I stay in 5. Now I know some may be thinking my rug is a little small, but I didn't want a rug that necessarily covered my entire balcony. I kind of just wanted something that added a little texture, especially underneath my feet while I was sitting. For the table decor, I'm going to be adding this candle holder that I purchased when I was in Bali, as well as some seashells. And I'm also going to be adding some grass that I got from IKEA, and then a side lantern. I'm going to add some floor decor with another lantern and a candle. I'm going to do this on both sides. Just with this side, I'm going to add a plant. I had a quick idea of adding some mirrors to the wall, and I realized I still have some command tape, so we're gonna see if this works. Hopefully it does. I got something. Okay, so I definitely OD'd on the tape, but I want to make sure this does not fall off. And now for the final reveal. So I hope you guys enjoyed my balcony transformation as much as I enjoyed putting it together. I'm just in love with my space now. It's so cute. I'll be putting the links to the things that I purchased in the description box. And yeah, if you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time.